And thank you, Dr. Dorga. As we continue our conversation on the Seminar Club training, we are heading into our Sales Rich module. And the Sales Rich module is such an important module for your sales team. For your company to be able to have a team, a group of team members that are motivated and that are driven to be able to reach your targets and their targets as well. So understanding that your sales team plays such an important part in your company and to be able to developing the training programs or developing themselves as really key employees or team members in your business. So as we go through the sales rich module, there are 7 stages which we will talk about in the sales cycle. You see, we first start with our prospects, and those are the customers who show interest within our company. And prospecting is such an important part because we need to be able to identify those customers that have a need that sees value in your company or your products and your services. You see, we have to be able to first identify them and make contact. Where are they? We need to be able to understand how to reach them and how to be able to have the words or the message to be able to connect with them. Because we eventually will have to qualify those prospects, those persons who ideally see value in the products and the services that we have to offer. Additionally, not everyone will buy right away. There are some that will have to continuously be giving them information about the products. So it takes time and it's a process where you're able now to build that relationship with those prospects. As you build those relationships and as you give out bits of communication, you're able to provide those offers or give those offers to your customers or to those prospects. As you give those offers, then you're able now to connect with those needs. As you connect with those needs, then you can be able to provide those solutions to those customers. As we begin to go through the cycle, there are at times that we will face objections. And these objections is what we as sales men and women, we need to be able to understand how to deal with these objections, being able to identify and to be able to find solutions, and understanding the process of how to take a customer or a client through those objections so that we can be able to find that win-win scenario where we can be able to both benefit our customers and ourselves. That is where we can be able to close that sale. Additionally, in our sales module, you'll be able to identify how we can be able to train your entire team. Training is such a pivotal part in business today as we look to build resilience within our businesses and we begin to adapt to the market change. We are able to connect with our customers through our sales team. So it's understanding the importance of building rapport and what it means to connect with your customers using communication strategies of how you can be able to connect with the different profiles, customer profiles, and understanding how you can be able to build a really good feedback system so that the communication is complete. You understand the sales process and the cycle it takes. So when you can be able to develop your team so that they can be able to understand these various stages, how to deal with objections, and how to be able to be much more efficient and effective in their sales process. As you look to set targets and look to be able to achieve those targets, help your sales team to be able to prepare themselves and your company for what's ahead. So join us on November the 25th to be able to continue with your sales team training and preparation. Register today. It's 223-5583.